thank you for coming back. Today I'm gonna do a balloon garland.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them.
I actually bought this entire kit on Amazon. It's about $19 or $20 for my baby shower. So here I am, 34 weeks, so almost there. But this balloon kit does come with 4 different colors. There's also a little balloon strip where you enter the balloons, some ribbon, and you have 2 packs of confetti you could put into your balloon. So I'd have to YouTube how to use this. So I got this electric balloon inflator at Walmart for about $20. You can find them on Amazon or any party store. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this inflator to blow up my balloons. And then if you can take a little peek, this is gonna be where I attach my balloons when I'm making this garland. So I'll walk you through that. Willow, come here. Come here. Are you scared? You're our famous YouTube dog. Okay, she's so cute. So there's that. Sorry, YouTube. I'll edit all that out.
We need a bloopers.
Hi YouTube. Check out, this is Mia. She's awesome. And here is Willow.
Like this every day.
This one comes with the little, what are these called? They're like the little suction cup things. Okay, well, so this is